Smashed egg breakfast tacos are my #1 go-to breakfast that I make for my family, and sometimes they are my go-to when I don't have a plan for dinner. Some days they are just filled with egg and cheese, and sometimes they are loaded up with different ingredients that I have on hand, which is why we never get tired of these. Today we are going for a Denver omelet style, so join me for breakfast so I can show you how. I don't know about you, but we eat a lot of eggs in this house. If you're a new Blackstone owner, let me know down below who you are, where on the map you are griddling from, and what your favorite style of eggs are. For me, these smashed egg tacos, or I guess you could call them quesadillas. You see that, Cynthia? I've been practicing my quesadillas. Either way, these are a most requested and an easy way to use up leftover ingredients. We love Denver style omelets, so I always have a package of diced ham and fresh veggies on hand. My cheese drawer is always overflowing with blocks of cheese to freshly hand grate. Keeping flour tortillas on hand is a must in my house for quick meals. Now again, some days I do make these just simply with egg and cheese, and they are always perfect and loved, but when I'm adding anything else, that goes down first. Into a little olive oil, I'll drop down my diced red and green bell peppers and some sweet Vidalia onions. A quick toss before making some room for my ham to go down, getting a little color on that before mixing everything together. Of course, I need my garlic powder and a little black pepper to season everything up, then slide that aside to hang out. Now I want to quickly clean up our griddle for our eggs, especially because I love those sexy eggs. With a little water to steam lift any seasoning left behind, scraping it smooth and clean, then rubbing in a little bit of oil, and our surface is slick and shiny and ready for some eggs. A little swirl of butter goes down before cracking our eggs, which get a little salt and pepper to season. And now I do these a couple different ways depending on each person in my house. One likes their eggs broken and slightly scrambled, always topped with some freshly grated cheese. Today we have cheddar. Then I lay down my tortilla on top, and using my burger smasher, I smash down and press that egg so that it fills up the entire tortilla surface all the way to the edges. One likes a fried egg hard, topped with extra cheese, which acts as our glue to keeping our ingredients like our ham and veggies tucked inside of these tacos. We'll fold it in half, let it hang out, and cook on both sides while we make more. I've got a medium fried egg lover, and two of us that like the yolks broken when smashing our tortillas down. No mixing or scrambling of the egg. Whether they are just egg and cheese or filled with meat and veggies, I love that when these are folded in half, they get crispy while cooking on each side, and they become so fluffy between the egg fluffing up and the tortillas puffing up. The possibilities with these are just endless. Perfect for a quick but fun breakfast, brunch, lunch, or dinner that the entire family will absolutely love. So what do you think? Are you gonna make these smashed egg breakfast tacos? And what are you thinking of filling yours with? I just cannot wait to see. Until next time, thanks for hanging out with me for breakfast, and I will see you guys in the next video.